Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making dinosaur fossils. The supplies we need for this craft are flour, water, a spoon, a bowl, a measuring cup, salt, and dinosaurs, plastic dinosaurs. So first, I'm going to take the spoon and I'm going to put it right there and get my measuring cup and do a half a cup of salt. Okay, and pour it in. And then I'm going to take my flour. I used wheat flour, so it looks more like dirt. And then I'm going to pour that in the bowl. And then I'm going to slowly put in a little bit of water as I'm mixing it, till we get the consistency that we need. Make sure it's all mixed through. It's starting to form. And try to do it slow because it'd be worse if you had too much instead of too little. You can always add more. And just keep stirring. I'm gonna add a little bit more. There we go, and make sure all the flour is stirred through. Likes to stick on the bottom. Okay. And then I'm going to put this to the side, and I already have my ball. Just make a ball and then just flatten it out with your palm. And then take your dinosaur, just lay him down and press. Pretty hard. And that is your dinosaur fossil. We hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.